MPS Day International Private Limited is the new name for modern India to choose and enjoy green services at the doorstep. Certifications, accreditations, and memberships of MPS Day International are an ISO 9001-2015, 14001-2015, 10004-2018, 22000-2018 FSSC 22000 certified company with HACCP, Halal, Kosher, Organic, FTA certification, GMP certification, BRC food certified, FSSAI certification, REACH certification, MSME, APEDA and a Trade India membership. MPS is a popular exporter, supplier, trader, a national distributor of perishable products like fresh fruits and vegetables along with raw spices, cereal grains, kernels, exotic food items, matchboxes, tea, coconuts, etc. Supported by Integrated Logistic Department, MPS in a short time has set up its distribution center in Punjab, Maharashtra, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Kerala, Manipur, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Odisha and also in the international platform. The company is involved in business directly with the wholesalers, retailers, repackers and exporters. With its dedication towards service and product procurement, MPS has also successfully set up its export business in Colombo and Dubai. The company currently works in two spheres, export division and domestic division. With its tagline, Adding Green to Your Life, MPS has become Asia's leading exporters of fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, raw spices, dry fruits and all other agro-commodities. The fraternity of MPS company started its mission in the year 2019 and from then it has strived to achieve customer satisfaction and faith. Feedback of good customer satisfaction and contentment is what we always get from our happy customers. We care for our customers and this is the core value system and success story of our organization. It regards the customer's core value as the company's cornerstone and put their clients at the topmost priority. MPS till date has not compromised its business ethics and remained transparent to the customers. Dedicated service, loyalty, integrated business, a wide range of product availability and logistical approach have helped the company creating a trustworthy impression and gained the company a faithful set of customers. The logistics setup of MPS Day International Private Limited has achieved milestones in its services on sea, air, rail, road transportation. With the product procurement rate at the highest level, the company commits to the complete availability of its products. MPS takes care of the need for shipping and on-time delivery and exportation in abroad countries with customs clearance and formalities checked in their list. Transportation is part of every established company and thus MPS takes extra note on delivering its products on time to all its consumers. MPS Day International has proved its position in the national and international market for its excellent service in procurement, sorting, grading, packing, quality checks and loading as per ISO standards, a wide range of products, availability of high-quality products at a competitive price. MPS is also a registered broker, which allows it to directly connect with farmers and other business entities across the nation. A company is nothing without a dedicated team, and MPS has the best set of professionals who have experience in handling procurement, packing, shipping, administration, transportation, operations and documentation. MPS Day International Limited does not limit itself to boundaries and thus in just a couple of years it has achieved ceiling achievements. The company also provides value-added services to its customers. Get in touch with Mr. Supriyo Day at +91 9920 294181 and at supriyo@mpsdayinternational.com to know more. Please visit www.mpsdayinternational.com for details.